Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson I am gonna show you how to download and install JDK or Java Development Kit on your device easily to start coding with the Java programming language locally on your device. In this course we are gonna use Java Standard Edition 17. Use this link and this will bring you to this official page in the Oracle website to download the JDK install launcher. From here, hit the download button. After that you will see this screen. Java is a cross-platform language, so you can use the Java programming language on Linux, Mac OS or Windows. Let's download the JDK install launcher for the Windows operating system from here. Then wait for the install launcher file to be downloaded on your device. After successfully downloading the install launcher file, try to click on it to start the installation process. Then it will start to install. Then click next and you can change the location folder, but we are gonna leave it as it is by default. And after that hit next. Then wait for the installation process to complete successfully. It will take some time. Finally hit close. Now we have installed the Java development successfully on our device. You can now use the Java programming language on your device without any problems. Let's check to make sure the Java programming language has been installed successfully on our device or not. You can do that by using the command prompt. In the command prompt, type java-version to check for the Java version installed on this device and hit enter, and you can see Java version 17.0.1. This is actually the Java version we just installed. Now we can use Java without any problems. That's all about it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next lesson.